been subbing in 5th grade for the past 2 weeks, and right now I'm just waiting on them to get back from the band room.
Good morning. It is Veterans Day, and so the kids are out of school, and so that means I'm not subbing either. So we are trucking today, loading out of the bins. Colton's over there watching. We've got gold trucks going, and been staying busy that way. We're not harvesting. One of our Tioga farmers wanted us to get some of the bags and some of the bins and stuff filled or emptied out for next year. That's what's going on here in Tioga, North Dakota on Veterans Day, November 11th, 2020.
So Harvest 2020 is finished. We got done on Saturday afternoon. The guys got loaded on Sunday, and we headed back home on Monday. Unfortunately, we didn't make it home Monday night due to some snow and ice-packed roads that we ran into. But we made it to Russell, Kansas, which was pretty all right, and we made it home Tuesday afternoon. Tuesday afternoon, we spent unpacking the camper and bringing it into the house. We really actually move twice a year. It's a lot to move in. You don't think it would be that much, but you've lived in there for almost 6 months, so it's really quite a bit of stuff. So I've spent the last couple of days getting stuff unpacked, trying to find new homes for it. And the guys, they actually left last night to go back up to South Dakota and get the last load of equipment to bring it back. Once it gets back here, everything will get a really good bath because it's all covered in salt. Equipment will go back to the dealer because it's traded for next year. And trucks and trailers will be put away for the winter. So it's been quite a season. It's been a hell of a year. Not necessarily in a good way, but I'm super glad to say that we are done. We had an awesome crew that we were incredibly thankful for. And I am really hoping that next year is better, that our 2021 season doesn't have quite as many challenges or the same challenges that we had this year. So I guess we'll see you next season.
Hi everyone, this is Megan Clinert with Clinert Harvesting. We came up to Kansas to load up equipment. We've been done with fall harvests for a good month now, but Randall came home so we could start getting everything ready to run calves on wheat pasture. We buy cattle, steers to run on wheat pasture through the winter back home in Oklahoma. So we had a free weekend, so we're coming up here. We had a buddy come with us. We're going to get the combine home, the header home, and the tractor and grain cart, and we'll still lack one grain trailer to get home whenever we can. It's only like 6 o'clock, but daylight savings time, the time changed. So it's dark here, and a cold front came through on our way, so it's freezing, and I forgot my big coat. But this is how coming home for fall harvest usually looks for us. It usually doesn't get home when we're done. It's always kind of an afterthought, and we're very lucky that our farmer is always really accommodating and lets us park equipment here until we can get stuff tied up at home when we kind of have a break from our responsibilities back in Oklahoma. So we're almost officially done with harvest, I guess, once all the equipment's home. So I just thought I'd give you a glimpse into us getting everything home, and they're working on the header trailer over there. We're hoping to get around early in the morning and get on the road. It's about a 5-hour drive from here, but we have to stop about 100 miles south of here. That's where the combine is. The tractor and grain cart's here, but the combine's south of here. So we'll have to unhook a grain trailer, load the combine, hook it back up, dolly it all back together. So it'll be a process. It'll be a long day tomorrow, but I think the weather's gonna be nice and it won't be windy. It's very windy on our way up here. So that's just a look at how crazy it can be sometimes for us.